Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Kaggle certificate. If you want to earn a certificate on Kaggle, the process is simple and beginner-friendly. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can start learning and work toward completing a course certificate. Begin by opening Kaggle in your browser. This is the platform where Kaggle hosts its learning content, including short practical courses in topics like Python, machine learning, and data analysis. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main Kaggle site. Next, look to the left side navigation panel and click on More. This expands additional options that may not be visible right away. If you don't immediately see the item you need, give yourself a second to scan the menu carefully. The left navigation is where Kaggle organizes many of its main sections. After that, click on Learn. This will take you to Kaggle's learning area, where the platform groups its educational resources and guided courses. The Learn section is designed to help users build skills step by step, so this is the key area for finding certificate-eligible course content. Once you're on the Learn page, scroll down until you find the Courses section. As you move down the page, you may see other content first, so keep scrolling until the course listings appear. This section is important because it contains the structured learning paths that lead to completion and certification. When you reach the courses, select a sample course to begin. You can choose whichever course fits your current goals or skill level. For example, many learners start with an introductory course because it's easier to complete and gives a clear sense of how Kaggle lessons are organized. Open the course and review the content layout so you know what's included. Finally, complete the course to get your certificate. This means working through all required lessons, exercises, and any checkpoints included in the course. Be sure to finish each part fully, since certificates are typically awarded only after the full course is completed. If needed, take your time and move at a steady pace so you understand the material rather than rushing through it. And that's it. By going to Kaggle, opening the Learn section, finding a course, and finishing it, you can earn a Kaggle certificate. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to completing your course successfully.